Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fuzzboo. So today we are going to be doing dominoes. I'm going to show you how to make dominoes using magnet tiles. All right, so the straight part is pretty straightforward. You just snap them together like that. This builds your domino track, and then you just put your domino pieces one on top, and there you go. But how do you make it turn? Okay, so this is what you do. It's a little tricky. It's going to require some finessing. So you have your straight track, and let's say you want to make it turn from here. What you're going to use is you're going to use these right angle pieces. So you put them in the direction of the turn. So notice the long side is I want to turn this way. And you put another straight piece. And if you want to keep turning, just keep doing the same thing. Let's say we want to make a full turn. All right, so now we've done a full turn around. So we're going to go ahead and put a few more track pieces here. And now comes the delicate part. So you got to stack your dominoes one by one. This one on the turn is going to go right here in the middle. It's not always perfect, so you got to try it out a few times. And let's try this out. Bingo, there you go. So check out this next video that I have down below. I think you're really going to like it, and I'll see you there.